What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. We are here at Technic with Nate and Anna's 2010 Audi A4. We are replacing the spark plugs on it today. It looks like it's going to be relatively easy. You just pulled the cover off. Just pull it off. 4 bolts, right?
Just the one for the
So it's just the 1 bolt that you have to take off to get the coil packs out. He's gonna be done before 2 minutes. He pulled it in, he was like, psh, Audi, psh, nothing.
I know you can do this. You can do that.
2
minutos. Easy.
Right here we got Ryan, the front desk guy in Technic. Tell him what's up, Ryan.
What's up?
I mean, he basically did what I asked him to do.
Nowadays. These are hot. Grab us the car and...
How bad were they?
Too bad.
Not even that bad.
Not too bad, no.
But time to be replaced. Anyways. They look like they've been replaced a while, like not too long ago, actually. Huh.
Boom.
As simple as that, guys. Just
give it the brap raps.
Give it the brap raps.
Oh no, I torqued them down. I torque them.
Oh my freaking gosh, guys. That was so quick.
That'll be $100.
More like 30, 40.
Oh, fuck.
30, 40 buck of doonies.
A piece?
No. Those plugs are like 10 bucks.
Dude, this is the hardest spark plug Audi's ever made.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, it is a pain in the ass.
Yeah. Give it all those Turks.
What are you torquing them to, Nate?
I'd say about a good old 20 foot-pounds.
20 foot-pounds of torque, guys.
20 foot-pounds for everything on these things.
Okay.
Everything. For the most part. Click, click. Yep. Oh yeah. Hear that click?
Yep. So that's when you know they're fully in, right?
Yep. Simple
as that.
All done.
Simple as that, everybody. Thank you so much, Nate. Alright, I appreciate everybody tuning in. That was the spark plug replacement on the 2010 Audi A4 2.0T. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to check out savageexotics.com for Savage Exotics merch. I appreciate all of you. Have a great day. Peace.